Hi guys! So I heard someone's coming home.
Yeah, my sister. It's Julie, and she loves Jollibee.
Then let's go to Jollibee.
No, let's make it at home.
Sige, let's go to the market to get some chicken. Adding a little bit of salt, just to taste. Adding pepper, just to taste. I'm adding a little bit of soy sauce. Adding a little bit of chicken broth. We're going to add 6 calamansi. The seeds you can remove later once you've added them all. Time for mixing. Now we're going to make the batter for the chicken. Let's add some good chili powder. Tough egg. Two eggs. I think it was a double yolk. I think so. I saw 2 yolks come out. I need to grab a fork. Now you grab the chicken, you first dip it in the egg so the flour sticks nicely to it. Just like so. Then you dip it in the flour. And it's that simple, and then you cover up the cold spots. There's one more cold spot there. Look at that, guys, it's that simple. Adding oil to the pan, enough to, well, deep fry. Adding the chicken.
So guys, it looks burnt, but it's not. It's the cayenne pepper. I feel like it's spicy.
So we just changed the fire to an electric fire so we can control a little bit of the heat. So our fried chicken is done. Well, it is fried chicken, but I think we put a little bit too much cayenne pepper or chili pepper on there, so it kinda turned out a little darker than we think it should have been. But we're still gonna do the taste test. Let's do a small drumstick. Alright, I'll let you do the honors. It doesn't taste too burnt.
It's crispy.
Yeah, it's crispy and it's not burnt. I thought it was actually gonna be burnt. So it looks worse than it is, but the flavor, I would still vote a good 7, no? That proves it. She steals my chicken already. But no, like, look on the inside, guys. Like, It actually looks really, really good still on the inside. It's just the outside kind of is a little bit too crispy. Not too crispy, I mean, but it looks too crispy. It looks burnt. But that's because the fire we used first for the coal was too high. Then we used an electric stove instead, and it was way too low. So it had to bake for a very long time, and when you bake it for too long, the skin turns dark. And then we also used a little bit too much chili pepper. Flavor-wise, it actually tastes good, the chili powder though. But the looks, they could have done a little bit better. So yeah, it's not Jollibee chicken, but it is definitely Chickenjoy, I guess, because Millie seems happy about it, so...
I mean, it's crispy and it's still juicy in the inside though.
It is actually very juicy on the inside. I actually genuinely like it. So, I would still vote a good 8 maybe even. 7 or 8. 7.5 then. Let's go with that. Right? But it's good. Anyways, that's it for us tonight. Well, I say literally tonight because it's already 11:30. So, good night, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.